In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a multiple-choice grid question form using Google Forms. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the process step by step. So, let's dive right in and get started. To kick things off, you'll need to navigate to Google Forms. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Google Forms address, then hit Enter. If you're not logged into your Google account, you'll need to do that first. Once you're in Google Forms, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you're new to it. The platform is designed to be user-friendly, making it a great tool for creating surveys, quizzes, and more. Now, once you're comfortable in the interface, click the large plus sign button to start a new form. This action will open a blank form where you can begin adding your questions. It's wise to begin by giving your form a title and a brief description so your respondents know exactly what it's about and how to proceed. With your form set up, it's time to add the multiple-choice grid question. To do this, click on the drop-down menu on the floating toolbar on the right-hand side of your screen. This menu gives you various types of questions you can add. Look for and select the multiple-choice grid option. Now, in your main form view, two fields will appear, one labeled rows and the other columns. In the rows field, list the items or categories you want your respondents to evaluate. For instance, if your survey addresses customer satisfaction, you might label your rows with different service aspects like customer service, quality of product, and value for money. Next, proceed to the columns field. Here, you will list the possible choices or scales that respondents can select, such as poor, fair, good, or excellent. This grid format allows for a comprehensive analysis of opinions across multiple categories. An essential part of a grid question is making sure it compels respondents to answer each item, so don't forget to toggle the Require a Response option. This step ensures you gather all the data you need. Additionally, if you want to prevent multiple selections across a single row, you can enable the Limit to one response per column option. Take a moment to carefully review your grid question setup. Ensure everything is clearly labeled and formatted correctly. Once you're satisfied, feel free to preview your form by clicking on the eye icon in the upper right corner. This preview function allows you to see the form as your respondents will, which can be incredibly helpful for final checks. When you're happy with how everything looks and works, it's time to share your form. Click the Send button at the top right, which will open sharing options. You can send it via email, a link, or straight to a Google Classroom if you're a teacher. Choose the method that best suits your audience. And there you have it, a complete guide to creating a multiple-choice grid question form using Google Forms. With these steps, you can efficiently gather and analyze data tailored to your unique needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.